morning, guys. I hope you're doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. So what's happening today? I'm really just planning on working. I might shoot later on. Today's a beautiful day to start with. It's 10 degrees, which is great. It's sunny. We've not seen sun in a long time, so this is great. What else? Yeah, so basically going to work on editing and doing a couple more shoots, but yeah, that's about it. So I think I'll check you guys later. Oh, we're ready? We're ready. Outfit change. I wanted to take more shots with the drone, so let's see how that looks like. I feel like my hair looks weird. Oh, I'm at the V&A, in case you don't know where I am. Yeah, I'm at the V&A. The other thing we're doing, oh yeah, location change at V&A. We're still playing with the drone. I'm really into learning. What else do I want to do apart from learning? Yeah, I want to learn so that I can start using drones. But for now, what we're doing is we are getting footage of me. Yeah, good old me. But yeah, I guess catch you guys later. Let me have fun. So it's evening. We came back home. I had so much fun today, honestly. I'll just share with you like very tiny footage of me playing with the drone today. Well, really not of me playing with the drone, but like the final bits of it, and then you tell me what you think. I came back home, chilled, started playing with my drone again just to have a look at, you know, what's inside, just like specs and everything, because by the end of this year, God willing, I'll be really good at it. Like, that's it. That's my, you know, when people say you want to do a new skill this year, I think that's probably my new skill. It's not really new, obviously, but then like new skill in terms of like having a new gadget and that. What else? Oh, I remember when, like, in the other vlog, there was another vlog that I told you guys I'm probably going to buy a new camera instead of buying a phone. Yep, I still have the phone. So now we know what choices I made. What else? So I came back home. I'm trying to make cupcakes for my friend. So yeah, just cause honestly, just cause I like showing my friends I love them in the smallest ways I can. So I think this is a good gesture. I haven't seen them in a while, so probably do that. I'm trying to make fondant. The cupcakes are actually ready. So the cupcakes are ready. This is just me trying to make the icing, and I guess I should say wish me luck, and then probably do like a time lapse or something. I don't know what you guys think, or I can just actually get everything done and then I'll show you guys the final product, mixing black and white, and hopefully get like a marble in between that, because I think that would be a cute marble. Anyway, let's see, let's just watch it. Finished what I was doing, and now my battery is flashing now that I've come upstairs. Really? Anyway, I'm done. I don't know if I'll show you the final product, maybe not, because it has a person's name which I don't know if I want to share with you, and you know, just respecting people's privacy is all. So yeah, that's that. And what else? Yeah, I've just come to bed, so I'm about to change, fall asleep, put something on YouTube to help me learn something, you know. I like to just get like, even if it's like an editing overview, then I sleep on it, then I wake up and try and... Hey guys, so I think I'll just start by admitting this vlog has been the choppiest vlog you probably have or will ever see. And besides that, because we're not going to do all negative stuff over here, I really like how cute my hair looks. I feel like I look 12. I look like such a baby, and I kind of like it. I don't know, I kind of like it. This was so random. I didn't even think of what to put on my face, like on my hair, so I just randomly decided, why not? Oh, actually no, it was inspired by the Netflix series Ginny and Georgia. If anybody has watched it, give me a thumbs up, or just mention Ginny and Georgia in the comments below so that I know you've watched it. What else? So yeah, I'm here with my gadgets. I have the iPad here so that I can like watch YouTube, like kind of mini tutorials, just to see how this is gonna work. So I'm trying to fly the drone. I'm so scared because now it started being windy. Guys, wish me luck, please wish me luck. So yeah, I think I'll just start playing with it. I want to gather confidence, and I'm really trying to believe in myself. I'm hoping by the time summer is here, I'll be really good at flying the drone basically. So yeah, wish me luck. I'm just here to say wish me luck. So let me put the camera over there, then you guys can see me playing around with it or whatever, and I'll catch you guys later. Okay, plans changed. First of all, it's getting freezing, so I might go inside and just change. Just wear something more practical. I mean like trousers or so, and that. And the app is updating. Can you see properly? No, you can't, can you? Yeah, so the app is updating. It's 97%, so I should probably use that time to wear quick trousers and then, you know, just come back and get this done. I think so. Okay, it's done anyway. So let's see what I decide to do. Hi. So it was really cold, so I've gone inside to change back to my original sweatsuit, which I think is what I've been wearing all week. Yeah, I'm having a little bit of issues with calibration, so I'm watching a YouTube video to see if I can manage that, but I'll fast forward. If I succeed, well and good. If I don't succeed, tomorrow is another day, so we'll figure that out. I don't know if I mentioned I couldn't fly it at my area because we're kind of close to an army base, so I'm not able to do that. What I'm going to do, or what I've done, is I was cycling to the Inch, which is like a park area. You can see it's very open and everything, so I want to try and do the flying here, test what I can do, you know, just a little bit easy, go slow, like beginner level stuff, and then yeah, just, you know, practice and all that kind of good stuff. Also, nobody asked, but to think that this place is already dry, and like a couple of days ago, less than a week, it was fully flooded because of the rains, is unimaginable. It's really, really interesting to see that, like, it's completely dry. This whole area was just full of water, like the river had flooded. Yeah, anyway, enough of me rambling, so let me just get on to doing my stuff.